This is the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, January 4th, 2022. The date and time today is December 17th, 2021, and the time is 4:27 p.m. Theme for the day, we'll pulled two cards. It's the Sun and the Love card. So we're gonna have a big push to the upside, followed by a peak that forms through by breaking through resistance briefly and then coming back down. That's S&P 500 for January 4th, 2022. Okay. This is the pre-market. The open to 10. 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to the close, or post-market, high, low, sneak preview the following day, open, the close, and the trade advisement. All right, so the theme and overall behavior is a big push to the upside and a peak through resistance, followed by a sell-off down back through that same price level. We establish a support or reestablish a support level right around the open after a sharp decline in the pre-market. There's some sideways fluctuation between roughly 9:30 and 10 o'clock. Then we have a kind of like a big wave, two equal and opposite moves, two big equal and opposite moves in opposite, they cancel each other out. So we'll have a big move higher followed by a big move lower to roughly the same level. That's from like roughly 10 to 11. Then from 11 to 12, we have a sharp downward move through multiple support levels. There's a U-shaped dip and a trade opportunity right around 12 to 1 o'clock. Congress is highlighted between 1 and 2 o'clock-ish, and there's a push higher, even with bad news or something that scares the market. There's still a push higher, possibly breaking through some resistance levels. And then we have, it likely has something to do with litigation. But we have some volatility that forms due to a decision that was made by Congress. And that volatility is from like roughly 2 to 3, then we have a sharp decline, I should say, within a period of price swings in the last hour of trading. Indolence, so the high that whatever the peak, the level is that we reach around, when there's like a move higher right around the close, that's gonna make like a little peak, and then we're gonna drop off a cliff. That little peak will not be revisited for a while, that price level. We have the end of a trend near the bottom, near the closes, near the lows. And then we have a big move higher, like a sudden fast move higher within a period of volatility that forms the high for the day. A sneak preview tomorrow's 3 failed attempts to break resistance, followed by a sharp decline. And that's basically, that's the first portion of the SO Meta reading. The second portion you can find on our website or in the links, I think, in the comments here. And that incorporates the pattern recognition portion of SO meta-analysis, allowing me to identify highs and lows, crests, and all that stuff. And then on top of it, I also do some scrying techniques as well. So if you're interested in that portion, you want to know the highs and lows and all that stuff, go to the website, go to the bottom of the link, and buy that second portion. It's not that expensive. They're like $5 or something like that.